Hell to the no. Why you dressed like me?
Relax. Identities have merged.
That's my outfit.
I borrowed it.
Without asking.
You weren't using it.
I was saving it.
Clothes desire purpose.
Not on him. You got on my good shit.
Well, it fit me better.
Take it off.
I'm about to go out. The outfit has a mission.
Man, the mission is to get it off his tore back body.
Excuse you?
Where you even going?
Out.
Where?
Don't worry about that. Mystery enhances style.
You trying to impress somebody.
Maybe. Romantic energy.
You not pulling nobody in my clothes.
I look good though.
You look like me. Hold on, man. Did you stretch my shit?
Do me a favor. Define stretch. The outfit has experienced life.
You stretch my fit?
I think it adds character.
Take my shit off.
Damn. The borrowing period has ended.